welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and welcome to a sparkle and shine tablescape. Today's video is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by three wonderful ladies here on YouTube, and that's Tammy from Me, Myself, I'm DIYing It, Katherine B, and Sule from MystyleMycolours. And it is the Sparkle and Shine Challenge. And what the ladies asked us to do was style a space in our home and showcase our sparkle and shine. And we are to show a before look of the space and an after look of the space. So I have decided to create a sparkle and shine tablescape. So I picked up these really beautiful candle holders. This one I got on clearance from TJ Maxx and I absolutely love it. It was $11. These other ones I picked up off of Facebook Marketplace. They were really inexpensive. I actually really love them. I don't know if you can tell or not, but they have a smoky black glass look to them. I absolutely love the way this looks. I also am using a very sparkly table runner. I picked this up from Amazon and it was $6.99. My place settings I absolutely love. It is a combination of items that I picked up from Ross, TJ Maxx, and Goodwill and Amazon. So we'll start with the napkin. Or actually, no, we'll start with the placemat. It is my black velvet placemat. I actually picked this up from Pier 1. It was on clearance. I picked it up for $1.99 last year. At that same time, whoops, I can lift this up. I picked up these chargers from Pier 1. They were also on clearance and they were, I want to say less than $2. And I have seen these next plates at Z Gallery, and they are actually a Z Gallery dupe, and I found these at Ross, and I actually love them. I love the sparkle and the sheen that it gives. These napkins I picked up from Amazon. I got a pack of 12, and they were, I want to say $14. Which I didn't think was too bad. And then the next item I picked up is a plate. It's actually a set of china that I picked up from Goodwill. It was 59 cents. And I picked up these plates from TJ Maxx. Again, a sparkly, silvery champagne finish. I absolutely love it. It was a pack of 4 for $7.99. And these bowls also came from TJ Maxx. Also sparkly and glam. I love them. I got them 2 years ago. Also a pack of 4 for $7.99 from TJ Maxx. And of course I have to, if I need to polish my silverware, but I had to use my Lucite silverware because again, we're going for that sparkle and shine. My glasses, the tall one I picked up, it came from TJ Maxx. I want to say it was $3.99, and the little one actually came from Goodwill. So I absolutely love my sparkle and shine tablescape. I think it looks so luxe, so glam. Absolutely love it. I am also using my candle holders that I picked up from Ross. I featured those in a Hollywood Glam tablescape. If you missed that video, I will leave a link for that in the description box down below. But I absolutely love the way this looks. I will put a photo here of what the island looked like before. I dressed the island seasonally, so it takes on different appearances from time to time, but this is what it looked like before, and this is how it is looking now, and I absolutely love it. So I would like to thank Tammy for hosting this Sparkle and Shine Challenge. I absolutely love participating. I also want to thank Sule from MystyleMycolours and Katherine from Katherine B home. I greatly appreciate you ladies hosting. I will leave a link for their channels down below, as well as a link of the playlist of the other participants. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget and making it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So that if that is something you are interested in as well, and you have not yet joined the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family, please hit that subscribe button and become a part of our family. So I hope you like this Sparkle and Shine tablescape. If so, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Again, thank you ladies for hosting this Sparkle and Shine challenge. I had so much fun putting this together, and I just shopped for items around my home. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.